Okay guys, long story short, I needed more parts. More parts. That's how it usually works. I got into doing this. I didn't get a chance to finish recording of me extracting the wheel bearing, and I didn't end up recording me pushing the wheel bearing in and the hub, but I will be doing that on the other side. I just had to close out this video. The reason I haven't posted my video was because there's no point in just posting a video where I didn't have all the extra parts. I just want to make sure that I had all the parts so I can post the one video of me extracting all the stuff, and then doing the next video of me putting it all back together. Well, that didn't work out so well, so I'm doing that right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video of me struggling to take this all apart. All the whole rear end. I'll show you guys, you know, all that's out right there. All this is out. All that is out. All down here. Drive shafts, everything's got to come in. Had to come out so I could put it all back in with these new parts. So, sorry for my slurring. My words are messed up. I'm just trying to get back to what I was doing here. Kind of got lost track. It's been a little bit of time. So, stay tuned and watch. Alright guys, so just sitting over here on the passenger side, I got to do a little bit of a lot. And what I mean by that is I got to put the wheel bearing, or press the wheel bearing in and hub. I had taken this ball joint out because I thought that you can order ball joints, but that's not the case. You have to go and get a whole upper control arm. I ended up ordering ball joints and ended up getting lower ball joints, so I'm going to be pushing these ones out because I know that the lower arms aren't that bad. Just the ball joints are probably bad. I had actually started loosening this. I'll show you guys when I get into that. I got to put my drive shaft seals in and drive shafts and pretty much put everything back together. I'm just been waiting on parts. That's why I haven't recorded anything, or I even posted the recording that I had before. It was just sitting in my file. But just to show you guys the control arms, these are not going to be the same control arms. They're going to be a little bit different because they're aftermarket. Not technically aftermarket, they're OE brand, but just aftermarket. They are right here. Let's see what we got. Just drop that. Destroy it. I don't think I even ripped the bag open yet. Nope. So these are, I don't know if you can see it, the bag, they're adjustable, and yeah, I got the ball joint, and there's a new bushing in there, obviously, because it's brand new. So, yeah, I'm just gonna remove this. My parts are in the freezer, just cooling down. That's what you want to call it, sorry. Yeah, I got a lot. Just gonna put this camera up and start recording. Alright guys, so like I said, all that's together. Just gonna get going on this wheel bearing right here. I got the wheel bearing right here, hub in the box, and I got the wheel bearing press, hub press. Last one, oh, shiza. Spent $80 on it. It's best investment ever. Probably gonna use it once or twice, but it works and it does the job. So I'm just gonna stand this up and we'll get going. I don't know. Let's see. We're gonna be using this. I can't really read it with the camera in front of it. An A7 73mm. You know. I think that's 2 and 7/8. That's what that said there. You're gonna slap that on the inside, or so that it sits like that, and then when you put your wheel bearing in, you're just gonna, you know, oh wow, I'm just facing the ground, push this in like this, and then on the other side of your wheel bearing, you're going to need, I believe it's this one that I used last time. You shove that in behind. Can't see now, right? Because that's where your back puck goes, in behind here. And make sure when you put your wheel bearings in and all that kind of stuff, it's like really straight. Like I said, 1 1/4 wrench. You just want to set it on whichever side you feel like. I'm not really going to put it right there right now. I'm just showing you guys that's what it goes on. It goes on the back side here. And then you need another 1 1/4 socket. I use it on my impact gun.
Dad,
Whatever that is. Yes, buddy, what you got? Dirty hands?
Yep.
Dirty hands, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Daddy's looking for his impact gun. Right underneath here. Of course it's hiding.
Yeah, it's actually, this was the impact gun.
No, that's the drill. Snap-on drill. This is the impact gun.
Yeah, and this is also the clean
Careful,
gun too.
careful. That's very sharp and prickly. So hold on, dear. I just gotta go get one more thing, okay?
Okay, let's
Come. I believe I have 1 1/4 inch.
Can you come see too?
Hold on, D.
Oh, we can't see.
No, I know it's pretty hard. Hold on, Daddy's gotta look for that one socket. Look at that, everybody.
Found it.
Yep, of course you do. Alright. So, you slide that on there, wrench on the back end, and away you go, and the bearing goes in. So,
And Dad.
let's put this like this. You guys can see the bearing, hopefully go in. Sorry if the camera's crooked. Yeah, it looks crooked.
Dad,
this
I
in.
got grease on me.
It's okay, buddy. Just, yeah, wipe it on your shirt.
Or on my sweater.
Whichever you prefer. Alright. So, because we're tightening it, pretty sure.
And that's used to, you used to, clean my,
NDA, buddy?
yeah. It almost got on my eyes.
Oh, did it?
Yep, when you did, and the dog came out, it almost went in my eyes.
Oh, did
So,
it?
so I did,
Alright, guys. So, to
yep,
show you, wheel bearing is in.
yep.
It's spinning. The only thing I actually got to put in now is the C-clamping ring. And we'll get on that.
Then why is it here then? Are you gonna need it in a second?
And that was easy as 1, 2, 3, everybody. That went in. You seen that? I was going to show you and talk about it, but that didn't have to. So, now that that's in, we're going to get our hub and pretty much do it all over again. Now that we got the hub,
Yeah.
oh, sorry, the wheel bearing in.
Dad's not even recording.
Yes, it is.
Nope.
Yep. You see the red? That's
Yeah.
recording.
The red screen is not.
Yeah. So same process. Just gonna push the wheel bearing in.
Do it again.
Space, watch out.
We're in the... I'm not doing
All done.
good. Good on them.
So just like that,
It's coming out.
you repeat the process with what you did with the wheel bearing, with the hub, and voila, all put together. Spins. You might move it a little bit, only because the drive shaft's not in. I'm pretty sure if the drive shaft was in and you screwed the nut in, you wouldn't have no play, wouldn't have no worries. But now that's in, it's time to do the seals. And yeah, drive shafts, because that's the fun part now. But before we do that, I got a big mess to clean up. I got all this stuff here. I'm just gonna do a quick tidy up. So yeah, my work zone doesn't look like crud. I just caught this after I was done cleaning up. I'm an idiot.
Now we
What's still sitting up here while I put the wheel bearing in? Now I gotta go and pull the wheel bearing out just to
restart
put this up. Put this on just to take. Ah, god dang. So yeah, you know, you can see.
We
Alright.
gotta restart. See how it's not